Was it YouTube back in the 80s?
Well, that's my point. There was a lot of things that happened back. So, are you going to apologize to my husband for hitting on a married woman?
Doing what?
Apologize.
In fact, I don't even believe you're old enough to drink, personally.
Why were you asking her out?
Yeah, that's really.
I was trolling for starters. I need you to also realize
but the
that
thing
you have a
is,
certain
women are
you ain't a
equal.
goddamn man.
Ooh.
Whatever, New World Order lover, whatever.
But the thing is, my dude, you're in your like 40s, not married and have no kids. And
Right.
we have low self-esteem.
No one loves
you. I'm gonna say to Jesus.
Yeah, what are you gonna say to Jesus when you meet him? Because you're gonna meet him.
You're right. I am gonna meet him, and I'm gonna say, "Damn, what's up, my dude? Can I suck your dick?"
Choke me, daddy.
Choke me, daddy. That's exactly what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna like, "Hey, Jesus, can you choke me, daddy?" That's what I'm gonna say. This is so stupid. Like, I don't get what your logic is here.
You like that? You like it better?
Things. It's not my opinion. It's you watch it and you make up your own mind.
You're weird.
Oh
my gosh, Lubis.
Here we go. So Lubis, tell me how I can't rap without knowing how.
Oh, you're a terrible rapper.
Okay.